Hi, this is Sue from She's Wired. We've had a few clients ask about how they can get rid of the duplicate songs in their iTunes playlist. We're going to show you how to do that today. So whether you have a PC or a Mac, you're going to want to launch iTunes, or for some of us, it's now called Music. iTunes made that change a few months ago. So whether you have iTunes or Music, it's the same. Just go ahead and launch it on your computer. And when you get your playlist up, take a look on the left side. Make sure you have songs clicked on the left side. Once you have that, you'll see all your music on the right in a list. Mine is sorted by artist. I've clicked on this top area up here, the word artist, in order to get it to sort alphabetically by artist. I've just done that for today just so you can see how I can sort by title, artist, album, genre. So you have a lot of options here in terms of how you want to sort your music. When you're ready, we're going to click on File, Library, and then we're going to scoot on over to Show Duplicate Items. So it's going to take all of your music and it's going to show you the duplicate music. Now be careful of how this is structured. Don't just go off and start deleting things. Like for instance here, I have the song Bad by Michael Jackson, but it's in two different albums. If you look in the album area, I have it in an Essential Michael Jackson album and in a number ones album. So I'm not going to delete one of those because they are in two different albums. So make sure you take a second to look to see what is a true duplicate versus what isn't. If you look through your list, Howie Day Collide. If we look at this one, you can see the music, the title of the song, the artist, and the album. And I can look further over if I can drag those columns over, and you can see they're in the same album. So that way I have a duplicate. So when I'm ready, I can get rid of one of those. So if I click on it, I can then go up to Song, and I can delete it from my library. And once you do that, that song will go away. You'll be prompted, are you sure you want to just hide this? We can hide the song, and that way it's gone and you don't have to worry about it again. When you're done, make sure you look in the lower left corner. I'll scoot this up a little bit, but look in the lower right corner here, display duplicates. When I'm done with looking at the duplicates and making decisions on deleting, I'm going to hit done, which will bring back all of my music. And I can see the entire playlist number down here at the bottom, and I can see all my music has come back. So once you've got that all figured out and you spent that time doing it, you don't have any more duplicate songs anymore. You can just start playing your music and enjoy.